Hello dear students and parents, welcome to our channel Search Study Point. Today's topic school vocabulary related to the school. Arithmetic, A-R-I-T-H-M-E-T-I-C, arithmetic. Art, A-R-T, art. Biology, B-I-O-L-O-G-Y, biology. Chemistry, C-H-E-M-I-S-T-R-Y, chemistry. Drama, D-R-A-M-A, drama. Economics, E-C-O-N-O-M-I-C-S, economics. Exam, E-X-A-M, exam. Geography, G-E-O-G-R-A-P-H-Y, geography. History, H-I-S-T-O-R-Y, history. Homework, H-O-M-E-W-O-R-K, homework. Information technology, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information, T-E-C-H-N-O-L-O-G-Y, technology. Information technology. Languages, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E-S, languages. Mathematics, M-A-T-H-M-E-T-I-C-S, mathematics. Music, M-U-S-I-C, music. Philosophy, P-H-I-L-O-S-O-P-H-Y, philosophy. Physical education, P-H-Y-S-I-C-A-L, physical, E-D-U-C-A-T-I-O-N, education, physical education. Physics, P-H-Y-S-I-C-S, physics. Psychology, P-H-Y-C-H-O-L-O-G-Y, psychology. Quiz, Q-U-I-Z, quiz. Science, S-C-I-E-N-C-E, science. Test, T-E-S-T, taste. Thank you. Press the bell icon and subscribe the channel.